Sumter County for offering that outdoor experience for kids. Kudos to all that make this magazine possible, like Brady Events and Marketing. Kudos to the Alcera Auto Plaza in Grand Blanc, where you always get the best price up front.
Look at that.
Early Medical Center, Genesee County's only.
What's up, baby?
Children's ER and Pediatric Emergency Room. Early Medical Center, here for you. And kudos from your family here at Flinch Classic Rock Authority, 103.9 The Fox. If you would like to acknowledge someone or organization that deserves a big kudos.
Holy crap, we out here in Fenton, off of Loon Lake. They living large out here, baby. They going places. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at them.
Everything, even the most luxurious.